love that you mentioned poop
Yes,
because
it's so important.
people think that, oh, well, I go to the bathroom every 3 days. That's normal for me. That's not normal.
Mm-mm.
Think
No.
about a baby, right? They eat, they poop, they eat, they poop. That is what you want to do. Otherwise, you're recycling those toxins.
And I think it's because we didn't grow up talking about this thing, right? Especially if you're millennial or older, you didn't really learn these things. I think the new generations have access to social media, so they learn. But for our generations, we weren't taught these things. You never talked about like bowel movements at school or at the dinner table or at like a party that you're at. So you never grew up knowing what a healthy bowel movement looks like. And we're supposed to be having 1 to 3 bowel movements every single day. And some people even think, oh, well, I go every day. But then we have to think, okay, are you straining? Is there undigested food in the stool? Is it taking a long time to pass? Is there any blood? Is there mucus? Like there's so many additional things to consider that even if you are having a bowel movement every single day, you could still be constipated or you could be dealing with diarrhea. And if we aren't getting that stool out, so we're dealing with constipation, you're exactly right, Sarah, is we're going to have those toxins and hormones like estrogen we're trying to get rid of end up back in circulation, which is increasing our toxic load, our inflammation in our body, more hormonal imbalances. And then on the other hand, if we're dealing with diarrhea, that means we're going to be malnourished because the food is moving through our system way, way too quickly. And we're not able to absorb all of those wonderful nutrients that the food has to offer.
Right. And our food has very little nutrients today compared to 50 years ago. So we
Mhm.
need every single little bit of nutrient that we are taking